Honda Cub F. The Honda Cub F is a motorized bicycle, sometimes also categorized as a moped, introduced by Honda in 1952. It was a clip-on gasoline engine kit for bicycles produced by other manufacturers, identified by the slogan "the white tank" and the red engine by citing chai inzin, and popular for a design that prevented the two-stroke engine exhaust and oil from hitting the rider. The Society of Automotive Engineers of Japan in Japanese includes the 1952 Honda Cub F as one of their 240 landmarks of Japanese automotive technology. This product was a formative success for the new company, establishing their first nationwide independent dealer network. Managing Director Takeo Fujisawa initiated a direct mail campaign to the country's 50,000 bicycle dealers, generating about 30,000 replies, from which 13,000 dealers were chosen. He also instigated a hire purchase scheme to allow customers to spread payments across 12 months. Honda shipped 6,000 Cub F units in October 1952 and 9,000 in December. Production ceased in 1954, with the company citing consumer demand shifting to better products as Japan's post-war economy improved and quality problems with the bicycle components that Honda had no control over.